Hello everyone, I am Kanika. I'll give you some content about wrongful death. What is wrongful death? First, it happens when somebody is killed because of another person and identities, negligence or misconduct. किसी और इंसान ने गलती करी है और तो ये और मर गया. Although there may be criminal prosecution related to the fraternity, but a wrongful death is a lawsuit in a civil action and it is separate from distinct from criminal charges. The standard of proof is lower in a civil case than in a criminal case for the murder and manslaughter. Many different circumstances can given rise to a wrongful death lawsuit, such as medical malpractice, motor vehicle accident, toxic torch, manufacturing defect, criminal activity. These are all reasons. So each state has its own wrongful statute. When it's a criteria procedure bringing wrongful death lawsuit, in some there may be certain agencies that have governmental immunity from protection of wrongful death lawsuits. अगर कोई wrongful death lawsuits फाइल हो जाते हैं तो गवर्नमेंट के पास इम्यूनिटी होती है उसको डिफेंड करने की. Depending on the state, wrongful death lawsuit can be filed represented on behalf of eligible survivors who have suffered from the decedent's death. The survivors are called real parties in interest. उनका नाम होता है जो उनको डेडिकेट किया जाता है रियल पार्टी इंटरेस्ट. Children, spouses, family members depend on state to state. In some states, other people are putative spouses for financial dependent and may recover damages. Other states, sibling judgment can bring a claim. कई बार लोग मार देते हैं कि उनकी प्रॉपर्टी मिल जाएगी, पर जब तक लीगल इम्यूनिटी फाइल नहीं हो जाती, लॉ सूट नहीं फाइल हो जाता, रीजन नहीं मिल जाता कि डेथ क्यों है, सब कुछ नहीं हो जाता, तब तक उनको चार्जेस नहीं मिलते. जनरली द रिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ रियल पार्टीज इंटरेस्ट हु इज ब्रिंगिंग द सूट must prove a death caused by someone's negligence or intentionally wrong action. The survival of the family members who suffered harm because of the death who are eligible to recover damages and the appointment of a personal representative of the decedent even when appropriate. I told you this. Representative who brings a lawsuit may recover both with economic and non-economic damages, and it has to be distributed with the families eligible to recover themselves. Economic damages may include medical and funeral expenses. Okay, out-of-pocket expenses, lost household or other services, loss of support and income, loss of prospect of inheritance. If an adult wage may be necessary for a plaintiff to retain an expert economist to evaluate life expectancy of decedent, to estimate lost earnings and the other loss. The jury will look to the earnings of the time of the death as the potential future earnings. Then what are non-economic damages? These are such as pain and suffering, which also have been recovered by themselves only, and the damages award will include interest starting from the date of the death. In some states, a jury may reward the punitive damages when the decedent died due to rigorous conduct and gross negligence by the defendant. However, in most states, punitive damages are not permitted in the wrongful lawsuits. There are some reasons. Okay, the decedent survivors may also maintain a survival action in cases their descendant does not die immediately from an accident, and this person bring injury lawsuit. The claim allows the descendant estate to recover the descendant conscious pain suffering before dying. Among all these things, the jury may look into the degree to which descendant was conscious, severity of his or her pain, his or her awareness of impending death. So these are some little content about wrongful death, what is wrongful death, and how is it claimed. Okay, so now coming forward, what are the types of wrongful death claims? Any fatality caused by the wrongful death may result in wrongful death claim, often being a resulting negligence. The lawsuits and all were the claims I told you. Okay, that were lawsuit little claims also. So, but if we come to more further for the topic, to whom these wrongful death are applicable? First, it is applicable after situation in a victim who otherwise have a valid personal injury claim killed as a result of defendant wrongful action. This can occur in variety of situations, including first situation when a victim is intentionally killed. जब उन intentionally killed होता है Second, when a victim dies as a result of medical malpractice, like doctor fails to diagnose something and the person dies. Car accident fatalities involving negligence. If victim dies as a result of car accident, injuries to wrongful death. But what must be proven there? In order to hold the defendant liable to wrongful death claim, the plaintiff in the claim must meet the same burden of proof to the victim who has the victim lied. So, using the negligence as an example, this means showing the defendant who owed the victim of a duty to care that defendant has breached this duty. Due to that breach of duty was a direct proximate cause and the death caused to damage in the plaintiff and trying to recover. So, what are the damages there? I include punitive damages are some of places they are present, and they are non-economic damages and economic damages. Thank you so much. I hope you liked something about this video. Thank you again.